required. Please subscribe to us. Where'd everybody go? No. Okay. Thesis paper? Lost? Guys, seriously, my thesis paper just got lost. Please tell me someone knows how to fix this. Someone?
What? Sweetheart, if you want to know how to do a makeover, I can help you with that, but computers?
She can't help you. I can. I know everything, okay? I will help you. All you gotta do is press escape, shift, delete, return plus Z and C plus.
Wait, delete.
Wait, let me just do it.
Fine, you do it. You save that paper, you smart girl, you.
Oh yeah, it's so simple. Just told you, escape, control, shift, delete, plus C and Z. See?
Thanks, Mon. I mean, she doesn't have to be such a smarty pants about it.
Seriously, I could give you a makeover.
Ooh, makeover?
Yeah, your bone structure is not that bad.
I am all for a makeover.
Sweet.
Subscribe.
Okay, and I'll give you this. Oh, wow! This is such an incredible model. I mean, these are really expensive. I've always wanted to try one.